A Livingston County judge who was kicked off the bench will find out tomorrow if she'll land behind bars.
Theresa Brennan pled guilty to perjury, a charge that goes to the core of the legal system that she swore to uphold.
7 Action News reporter Jim Kirzner tells us what both sides are recommending for her sentence.
Perjury is a 15-year felony. In this case, the guidelines are 0 to 6 months. There are differing opinions if jail should be part of this case.
Allow her to sit there and say, I'm sorry for what I did. It's like all these politicians and people in power, they're all sorry when they get caught.
Brennan was charged by the state attorney general with perjury, misconduct in office, and tampering with evidence in her own divorce case. She would take a plea deal, guilty to perjury.
You knowingly make that false statement?
Yes.
The AG writes in a sentencing brief, perjury is a public trust crime. Ms. Brennan was in a position of power and trust in the legal system. Her conduct calls for a sentence that considers punishment and deterrence as its goal, but no recommendation is made on jail time.
I am astounded at the state's brief.
Tom Kaiser was the divorce attorney for Brennan's now ex-husband and today is writing to speak on his behalf in court to Detroit Judge Paul Cusick, deciding Brennan's fate. Defense attorneys for Brennan write, "We expect more from judges and lawyers, but Ms. Brennan has already been punished for her status as a judge by removal from office. She recognizes that because of her actions, the public likely has a more negative view of lawyers and judges, and that pains her."
Do you swear or affirm under penalty of perjury that the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I swear, yes.
Every defendant in every type of case, every plaintiff in every type of case is told to tell the truth, and it has to mean something.
Brennan's case goes back 3 years, thrown off the bench by the Judicial Tenure Commission and upheld unanimously by the Michigan Supreme Court last year. Her misconduct includes presiding over the murder trial of Jerome Kowalski while having an affair with the lead detective. Kowalski gets a new trial this year.
He's never been convicted of anything yet with a fair trial. And I'm not saying he's guilty or innocent. I don't know yet. He never had a fair trial because of her.
Sentencing is set for 2 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. In Howell, Jim Kirzner, 7 Action News.